Good evening. Ira Epstein with your metal market wrap-up, and this wrap-up is for the evening of Wednesday, the 18th of May, 2022, 6:35 p.m. Central Time. So a washout in the stock market, a big one today. And what's going on are the retailers. I'll go into that in the financial market review, and I'll talk a little bit about it in the spider review tonight as well. Not going to do it here. Suffice to say, we had a washout. The metal markets got hit. That doesn't change the positives of what's going on in China in any manner, that they're trying to reopen Shanghai. I'm even seeing parts of Beijing. They're opening a few creeks here and there from everything I'm seeing. When you look at the gold market, gold has come down hard, but it's in a support area here. I mean, this valley, let's call it, okay? You get your peaks and valleys. We've worked our way back into, it's going to be hard to decelerate. In other words, move on down from there. It's not going to be an easy task. When you look at the chart, you've had a stepping ladder down, and you see that stepping ladder with the swing line as you've got lower highs, lower lows. To break the pattern, you need to take out 1834.80. That would all of a sudden give you higher lows and then higher highs, and lo and behold, you'd have a contra-trend buy signal. Contra-trend because the market would still be under the 18-day average, and where you're at with the swing line in relation to the 18-day average determines if you're trending or not trending, especially if you get a buy or a sell signal on swing lines. So if you got a buy signal on the swing lines, but you're still under the 18-day average contra-trend, looking for that number. Obviously, the first resistance point's the 200-day average at 1840.60. I'll remove it for the other charts. And now you see that the Bollinger Band, you've hit them. Well, that's pretty well contained the market each time. I had first thought that the market would do better right here in support. And when that gave ground, there was nothing under the market to support it but Bollinger Bands, and that's what you hit. An event took place today that's important. Let me get to first today, which is Wednesday. You lost the embedded reading on the close, a close of 2132. If you've taken my enhanced Bollinger Band course, you know what that means. It now means that I am looking for momentum to kick price back to the closest of the 18-day average or the 200. So the 200 would still be a good average. If we come back, I won't go there. Let's just say it would be still good, but the 18 is often the number you go to. In the gold-silver ratio, so what we did is we've had a correction going on. I told you that when China reopened, which they've announced a reopening, they have not reopened. Do we understand that? You get 20 COVID cases and they'll back off from the reopening. They've given you the program as to how they're going to do it. Now they have to execute the program. So the market anticipates, but it's not going to be like, hey, Dorothy, let's get some more copper and all because we need this factory going. It's not the case yet. What it is you're starting to see the shorts covering here. They're getting the information they want. The momentum came out of the market as the market started anticipating this right through here. Here's your reading over 21. That often leads to price and the 18-day average coming together. The 18 because the 200 is above that. So it's the closest of the main moving averages. And I don't think it's through on that by any stretch of the imagination. And the same in the copper market. I see the same things going there. In the platinum, you're fighting. You're fighting a big battle at the 18-day average. The overall swing line trend is up, but every time you're getting signals, the risk factors are insane. And one of the things that I do as a filter on all my work is I put in monetary risk. So if you have a trade that is not an embedded trade, because embedded's a whole different vehicle, and I teach you how to work with that, but a normal buy or sell signal, yes, you have to filter it with money. You don't just blindly say, oh, my system threw out a buy signal. Yeah, that's a great way to go broke. So you're going to risk $3,000 to hope to make $300. No, you don't do those things. You wait and you see where the signals come in, and very frankly, there have not been any signals. Last in the palladium market, you got up to what I thought you'd do. You had a market that if we count the days here, both numbers under 20, both under 20, both under 20. If you lose that reading, I'm looking for the 18-day average of closes. You lose it here. But more important, it's a signal to no longer be short. Bingo. This is what I look for. This is the bread and butter. I can teach you how to do this in 3 hours on any chart in my enhanced Bollinger Band course. In the dollar index, you lost the embedded reading. Where did you go? Right back to the 18-day average. So we decided to expand the amount of research we give you with my research. So you now get all of the Linn research as part of the subscription. This is a $500 a year value. Okay, that's what they charge. So you're getting that for free. You're getting my values. They can be as low as $8. You're getting all this thrown in. Now you see the financial markets, options, spreads, techniques, everything you want. Price of coffee. You know, how do you drink 1 to 2 Starbucks a day? We're talking for a whole month you're getting this. You can get a better deal on the yearly. It's even a lot less. How do you find out more? It's simple. All you need to do is go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Under either you can go look there and you can see under my research. I can make life easy for you. I can point you right up here and click it this way as well. All right? Click that. You'll be taken right to the research section. I'm Ira. You have a good day. Remember, I'm going to talk next in the financial markets about today. Hope you tune in. Take care.